Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to challenge every person in this video that if you do this remedy continuously for 7 days for your skin will become so tight, hydrated and well nourished. Our skin lose so much collagen at the age of 30. Our skin become thinner, drier and less elastic. And that when we remember Botox injections. But after using this home remedy, you will forget Botox injections forever. So today I'm going to share what are the ingredients, how to use it, when to use it and what kind of result you will get. So stay tuned and watch the entire video to have the best of result for yourself. Today I'm going to share how you can use the simple home ingredients. You can give your skin that tightening due to which your age looks a little older. For the remedy, very important thing which we are going to use here, which is going to nourish, stiff and firm your skin and give all the important nutrients and help out your skin collagen to work again. Forgive the firmness which we are asking for, that is flaxseed powder. Today we are going to use flaxseed powder. For this you require 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, which you can in Hindi alsi seeds. It is easily available at your nearby grocery store. Toss it little bit in a hot pan so that the moisture content will remove. We don't have to cook it properly. We just have to remove the moisture content that's just for sitting in a hot pan. When it's cooled down, take it in a mixing jar or blending jar and grind it properly. Once you are done grinding, it becomes like a powder, as you can see now. After that, you have to filter it. The peel of flax seeds is very thick and not grind properly. That's why we remove this and take the powder content from inside. Due to filtering, the real important things which we want will come out and the peel will separate in the strainer. You can use this peel as a scrubber after make it softer. But please make sure that you don't rub too hard on your skin. Let it become soft and then use. And you can store this powder in the airtight container. You can use it on any face pack and any face wash. Also, you can just mix in the water and wash your face. You will feel the difference. You feel so refreshing because it gives your great result on your skin. I need not tell you about flaxseed. It has so many fatty acids which is very important and very beautiful for your skin health. When you use it for your skin regularly, so your skin will express its very beautiful, which I cannot describe in words. You must have to try to see the magic what it can do. Once you prepared your powder, keep them separate. I already have a flaxseed powder, but for you I prepared one more. If you want, you can make it more in the airtight container, will not spoil. Second ingredient which you have to use it here, that is lemon peel. Yes, for many people it's very hard to apply lemon juice to the face, especially those who have sensitive skin. They don't use it and this is absolutely fine. If you are not comfortable, so don't use it. Lemon peel is very beautifully amount of citric acids and vitamin C which you can use for your skin for even tone it. Your skin is your accessories. You don't have to do anything if your skin is clean. Lemon peel will work on exactly in this thing. It provides even tone on your skin. All the pigmentation and any other problem which you have in your skin, it will subside that. Yes. Means flaxseed powder will tighten your skin and this peel will fix any kind of problem in your skin. Even if in your face have acne or any kind of breakout, it will help to fix them as well. Not only that, lemon peel have alpha hydroxy acids which goes deeper in many layers. So when you use flaxseed powder in your skin with the lemon peel paste, So it goes many layers down, not only on your topmost layer, it will provide many layers that stiffness and firmness, due to which you all are working hard. As you feel convenient and comfortable, you can extract the peel, although you can use the lemon first. Move all the things from inside and use it. Otherwise you can peel out the fresh lemon and take it. After that, wash the lemon, peel and take it into the cup. Now you can soak it normal water or rose water, it's up to you. It's better if you soak it for overnight, because its peel will completely loose, and when you grind it will do in a single time. I didn't soak overnight. I just showing you for the preparation, so I just soak it for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that I grind properly. And after grinding you can see some small granules because it's not soaked. When you soak them, they will be very soft granules. Still they have, but it could be very soft and you will not have any problem. It is extremely fresh and beautiful content. You can take it as you are comfortable. Now for the face pack, which you have to prepare for yourself. You have to take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, which we made, and the lemon peel juice which we grinded. Include both of them and make the perfect paste. Don't put it all at once. Use slowly and a little bit and achieve the consistency like paste. Now the paste is ready, and this is your magical potion which will give your skin tightening and beautiful glow. It will also provide the firmness which you want for your skin. You can refrigerate this blend for a complete 1 week. However, the lemon peel paste which you added, it decreased their potential as time passed. Vitamin C is very unstable, due to which that will not sustain for a long time. That's why if you can make a fresh one every time, it could be more better if you will get a better result. But if you are a busy person and can't make a fresh one every single time, so you can refrigerate it for 1 week. There will be no problem. Maybe there is a little difference between the result, but it definitely usable. Now let's talk about how we can do the application. For the application, wash your face normally as you doing. After that, you have to tone your skin. At this point, you can use rose water for tone your skin. Toner actually tone your skin pores. It will bring them in the right orientation. So after tone the complete skin, let them dry properly so that the toning exercise will be done. After that, you have to apply this in your skin on an upwards position. Don't try to apply on downside. You will feel the same sensation on your skin, the position in which you apply. Apply it on the outside so that the stiffness will be maintained. After that, I would suggest lying down. The purpose of lay down is to asking help from gravitational. When you lay down, it gives your natural stretch to your skin. When your skin start drying a little bit, so you can spray the rose water again only if you have the time. If you don't have, it's absolutely fine. You can move on the next step. But if you have the time, so apply the rose water and lay down again and let it stay on your face for a little longer. Keep it for half an hour. You will not feel any kind of problem. It's very gentle and easy. You will get the results. You can leave it on your face for as long as you are comfortable. Then again, you can apply the rose water on your face. Make it little bit semi-dry. After that, do the massage on your face in the upward direction. As I told you, it has a very beautiful ability. The way you move your skin, it will keep maintaining like that. That's why the massage properly on an upward direction. After giving the beautiful stretch on your skin, now you can wash off your skin properly and let them dry naturally. And then you have to tone your skin again. This is going to be the last step in which we are doing let them dry naturally. Let your cells tone up to bring that firmness and tightness, due to which you have done this all procedure. The lemon peel which we used here, it will help you to even your skin tone. Ultimately, it's a complete package who work on your pigmentation and dark spots. And flaxseed powder work on your firmness and stiffness. So all in all, this is one its kind remedy which can give you amazing result. If you have sensitive skin, please take the patch test. If you are comfortable, then use it, otherwise no. But if you have normal skin, so definitely go for it. You will not have any problem. You have to do this 7 days without making any complaint. Don't do it twice a day, just do it in the morning hours. Your skin will be better for the whole day and you will not have any problem. I hope you understand the presentation and also know how it can do the magic. So do take the challenge for yourself and tell us below. We will also take an eye on you, how many of you are taking the challenge and how do you feel, how was your experience, and we would love to hear from all of you. Please take care of yourself. If you like the video, so do give the thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends and your family. I'll meet you all on my next video with something magical. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy and stay connected. Thank you.